What do gorillas and detectives have in common? Fingerprints, or rather, nose prints. Gorillas are full of surprises. When they're happy and relaxed, they chuckle and often let out a big old fart. It's their quirky way of saying, life's good. And get this, each gorilla has a unique nose print, just like our fingerprints. Researchers use these nose prints to identify them in the wild. Every night, gorillas build fresh nests from branches and leaves, even the big 400-pound silverbacks. They rarely reuse them, meaning they leave behind a ton of abandoned beds. Male gorillas also have a cool way to keep the peace. They belch. It's their version of a group hug, signaling that everything's chill. But be careful if you visit them. Gorillas can catch human colds, so sanctuaries enforce strict distance rules. And don't forget, they're problem solvers. Gorillas use sticks to measure water depth and logs as bridges. One smart gorilla, Coco, even learned sign language to chat about her pet kitten. Gorillas, farting, belching, and full of surprises.